Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI P10 Smart, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to open the settings and find your battery and just enable power saving mode. In the control panel, you need to disable all unnecessary features like Bluetooth, location services. If you need to save more battery, so click Ultra Power Saving Mode. In this mode, you will be possible to use only 6 applications, but in this mode, your smartphone will live really long time. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.